Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the tools ready. Open Google Translate and WhatsApp, then grant needed permissions so interactions work. Once done, locate the exact message you need to translate and either long press to copy or tap share. Google Translate accepts both. Choose your first action based on speed. Use the Translate as you type keyboard when you want inline replies, or copy then translate when you need precise control. This gets you translating immediately, while avoiding extra setup steps that waste time. Now focus on the main work, conversion and composing. If you use Gboard's Translate feature, switch languages inside the keyboard, type or paste, and watch it convert as you type. This keeps tone and context intact. If you copied the message, paste it into Google Translate, review the output, and tweak wording for clarity or cultural nuance. Once satisfied, switch back to WhatsApp, paste or type the final translation, and add any clarifying note so the recipient understands tone and intent. Finish by sending the translated reply and then confirm meaning with a short follow-up question to avoid miscommunication. If the recipient flags an error, rerun the phrase with a different source language setting, simplify complex sentences, or change wording to preserve intent. Make sure apps and permissions are current. If copying fails, use Google Translate's Camera OCR or Share to Translate features. One common fix: enable accessibility or keyboard permissions for Gboard so inline translation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.